tracking a forecast that's all over the place.
Yeah, that's true, Chris. And here's a look at the visibility. The dense fog causing all kinds of problems this morning. A lot of consistent, quarter mile, tenth of a mile reports, but Moorhead's been around zero, which means you're below a quarter mile for hours now. So the fog is dense, and it's really right through the heart of the bluegrass, running east as you head out, 64 towards Moorhead. This is our BCTC live weatherbug camera in Lexington, looking over, of course, towards Kroger Field, and you just can't see much of the stadium. So we've got issues with fog. Dense fog advisories in effect. All those grayed out counties, pretty much the entire area, except for far eastern Kentucky, out around Ashland, and then up in Indiana. But look at that. It goes from Illinois down through Missouri, Arkansas, parts of eastern Oklahoma and Kansas, down through Tennessee, from Nashville just to the west of Knoxville. Temperature-wise, the other concern, clearly, if we get down to freezing, you can have some freezing fog. You can have some of the residual moisture still on the roads freeze up and give you some icy conditions. It's 34 in Danville, degree shy in Covington, so do look out for that this morning. Big picture, the Max Tractor, maybe some drizzle around. You got showers south, but overall, much of the continental United States, unless you go to each corner, northeast, southeast, and off to the southwest, running up into the Pacific Northwest, they've got rain and snow issues there. But it's quiet, and today will be quiet. It's just going to be dreary. Overcast skies, some isolated drizzly patches this morning, and again, maybe some slickery spots on the roads. There's a new word. And additionally, we will see some showers overnight and into tomorrow morning. There may be a few passing through. The main round of rain, though, doesn't get really going until Thursday into Friday, and you want to talk about getting meteorological whiplash. We are just all over the place. Soaring initially. I mean, we could have well above average highs in the 60s by Thursday, but then clearly something happens. We crater down into the 20s into the weekend. Between the temperature rise and the temperature tank, we could see a round of potentially heavy rain and then a snow chance possibly into the weekend. So we could see anywhere between a 30 to 40 degree spread, really drop in temperatures between that spike Thursday and the bottoming out over the weekend. Now, into the weekend. The low that brings the rain is also on the back edge of it, going to throw a band of heavy accumulating snow. The big question at this point is, where does it set up? Somewhere around the Ohio Valley. I mean, we're still days away, but we're showing a band of what could be some heavy snow from Michigan right down through parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Missouri, and a little bit of a jog either direction, east or west in that track, will have a significant impact on exactly where that snow sets up. We're close right now. We're in the heads-up phase, but that would be Friday night into Saturday, so keep an eye on that. Of course, we'll keep you updated. Lingering clouds, morning drizzle, some patchy fog out there, highs in the 40s. Tonight, down to 40. We're only dropping to 40. Tomorrow, 50s. Tomorrow, probably the nicest day out of everything heading our way. It will be warmer Thursday, but it'll be windier. We'll have a better chance for rain, heavy rain, potentially Thursday night into Friday, and then Friday night into Saturday could get interesting in regards to that winter weather chance. I mean, we're going to go from 60s Thursday to highs only in the 20s later in the weekend. Huge swings and very active weather heading into the weekend.